Hello everyone, welcome to Corporate Survival AI x DevOps. If you are working in IT or DevOps and feel that tools like Jenkins, Docker, or Kubernetes are confusing, trust me, you are not alone. In this video, I will explain a real-world CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes, and I will also show where AI fits into this entire process. This video is theory-focused and beginner-friendly. No heavy coding. Just clear, structured explanations to help you understand the fundamentals. Let's get started. In real companies, the biggest problem is not lack of tools. The real problems are manual work, human mistakes, and late-night production issues. Developers push code, something breaks, and DevOps gets blamed. That's why companies use CI/CD pipelines to make releases faster, safer, and automated. CI means continuous integration. CD means continuous deployment. In simple words, whenever a developer pushes code, the system should automatically build, test, and deploy the application. No manual steps, no waiting, no stress. Let's understand the full pipeline at a high level. A developer pushes code to GitHub. Jenkins detects the change and starts the pipeline. Docker creates an image. Kubernetes deploys the application. This is exactly how real companies work. GitHub is where developers push their code. Any change, feature, bug fix, or configuration update starts here. GitHub acts as the single source of truth. AI can help here by reviewing pull requests, summarizing code changes, and even writing better commit messages. Jenkins is the automation brain. It controls the full pipeline and decides what runs and when. Using a Jenkins file, we tell Jenkins how to build, test, and deploy. AI can help by generating Jenkins files, fixing pipeline errors, and explaining failures in simple English. In this stage, Jenkins builds the application and runs automated tests. If tests fail, the pipeline stops immediately. This ensures broken code never reaches production. AI helps by analyzing test failures and suggesting possible fixes. Docker packages the application into an image. The image contains the code, dependencies, and runtime. This solves the works on my machine problem. AI can help by writing Docker files, optimizing image size, and finding security issues. Once the Docker image is ready, Jenkins pushes it to a Docker registry. This registry stores images and allows Kubernetes to pull them later. It's a simple but very important step in the pipeline. Kubernetes deploys the Docker image into containers. It also handles scaling, restarts failed pods, and manages traffic. AI can generate Kubernetes YAML files and explain pod or deployment errors in simple words. So the complete CI/CD flow is GitHub, then Jenkins, then build, then test, then Docker, then registry, then Kubernetes. Everything is automated, repeatable, and reliable. This is modern DevOps. AI will not replace DevOps engineers, but DevOps engineers who use AI will replace those who don't. AI helps you learn faster, debug quicker, and reduce stress in daily corporate work. On this channel, you will learn about using AI for learning DevOps, applying AI to daily corporate work, and gaining insights for career survival and growth. That's all for today's session. I hope this explanation helped you understand the concept clearly. In this channel, we focus on strong fundamentals, clear explanations, practical relevance for corporate roles. If this video added value to your learning, you can like the video and subscribe to Corporate Survival. In the next video, we'll continue with the next concept in this series. Thank you for watching.